Hello children, this is video 1 of lesson number 4 from English literature, and today we'll learn this chapter, that is a wonderful gift. Okay, I'll be explaining you this in this video. A long time ago there lived in America a little boy named Benjamin West. Benjamin loved pictures, but he had never seen any pictures except a few small ones in a book. He loved their bright and beautiful colors. His father and mother did not think it was right to spend money for such things. They thought the pictures might take his mind away from more useful things. So children, this is a story about a boy whose name was Benjamin West. Okay, he lived in America and he loved pictures very much, but his parents, his father and mother, they did not want him to draw the pictures because they thought that it is just a it was not right to spend money on such things. Okay, it is just useless, so they don't want him to draw the pictures. One day, Benjamin's mother had to go out for some work. She told Benjamin to stay in the house and take care of his baby sister until she came back. So one day his mother went out for some urgent work, and then she told Benjamin to just take care of his baby sister who was left alone at home. He was glad to do this because he loved the baby. She was asleep in her crib. For a while, he sat very still. He did not want to make any noise and wake her. She could hear the clock ticking. He heard the birds singing. Soon he began to feel a little lonely. So in this paragraph, what is it? He was very glad. Glad means happy. He was very happy to take care of his baby sister because he loved her. And she was asleep. She was sleeping in her crib. Crib means palna. For a while, she sat very still. He sat very still means he just did not move from his place. Then he did not want to make any noise and wake her. And just he could hear the sound of the clock ticking and the birds singing. Then after a few minutes, he began to feel very lonely. A fly sat on the baby's cheek and he brushed it away. Brushed it away means removed with his hands. Okay. Then he thought what a pretty picture he could make of his sister's lovely face and her little hands. Then he thought to make a picture of his baby sister, and then he drew the lovely face of his baby sister and her little hands. He had no paper, but he found a piece of cardboard. He had no pencil, but he found a piece of black charcoal. He began to draw. The baby smiled, but did not wake up. Yes, so he was not having any paper, he was not having any pencil, but instead of paper he used cardboard. Instead of pencil he used black charcoal. Charcoal, it is what is the meaning of the charcoal? Charcoal, the meaning is a hard black burnt piece of wood, koila. Okay, the picture grew as the charcoal touched the cardboard. Just then he drew the picture with the help of the charcoal. Here was her round head covered with pretty curls. Here was her mouth. Here was her little round eyes and her small ears. And here were her little hands. Yes, then he drew the whole picture of the baby sister. Okay, it was very quiet in the house. He was so busy drawing that he did not think of anything else. He did not even hear his mother's footsteps as she came into the room. After when he completed his drawing, he was so busy in completing his drawing that he could not even hear his mother's footsteps when she came inside the room. "Oh, Benjamin, what have you been doing?" she cried. The boy sprang up, alarmed. "It's only a picture of the baby, mother," he said. Then his mother asked, "What are you doing, Benjamin?" Then the boy said, "It's only the picture of the baby." Yes, now what is the meaning of sprang up and alarmed? Sprang up and alarmed means sprang up means jumped up suddenly, and alarmed means scared. Yes, he was afraid. His mother was so overjoyed that she hugged him and kissed him. Then suddenly she began to worry. Had Benjamin done the right thing? So after seeing the picture of the baby, his mother was very happy. Overjoyed means very happy that she hugged him, gale lagaya, and she kissed him. But then suddenly she thought that whether it was the right thing for Benjamin to do or not. "Benjamin, how did you learn to draw such a lovely picture?" she asked. Then she asked her son that how did you learn to draw this beautiful picture? Then Benjamin replied, "I didn't learn it," he answered. "I just did it. I could not help but do it." Yes, I could not help but do it means this is the meaning. Something made me draw the picture and I could not stop. Yes, something encouraged. Then, when Benjamin's father came home, his mother showed him the picture. "It looks like her, doesn't it?" she asked. "But I don't know what to think. Is it very wrong for Benjamin to do such a thing?" she added. Then Benjamin's mother asked his father that whether this drawing is good or not, it's beautiful or not, how does it look, and is it right for Benjamin to do the drawing? Yes, so she asked these questions to her husband. Benjamin's father did not answer. He looked at the picture carefully. Then he handed it back to his wife and said, "Put it away." Then Benjamin's father was very angry and he looked at the picture carefully and then he handed it back. He gave it back to his wife and said, "Put it away." Several weeks later, the priest of their church called on them. Called on them means he visited them at their house. The priest of their church visited their house, and the priest was a wise old man with a very pleasant face. Yes, he was very wise, he was very old, and he was very having a very pleasant face, means happy face. He was loved and respected by everyone. Benjamin's parents decided to show him the picture. They told him how Benjamin was always trying to draw something. They wondered if they should stop him from doing so. Then Benjamin's father and mother decided to show that picture to the priest and ask him whether they should make him continue to do the drawing or not. Yes, the priest looked at the picture for a long time. Then he called Benjamin to him and put his hands on his head. Then he blessed him and he put his hands on his head. "This child has a wonderful gift." Wonderful gift means he is very talented. He has got the talent to draw the pictures. "Why should anyone stop him from doing what he loves?" he said. "Let us hope that Benjamin will grow up to be an honor to our country." So the priest said that we should not stop him from doing what he loves. Just if he loves drawing pictures, then he should be encouraged to do so. Yes, and they hoped that he will be an honor to their country. And the words of the priest came true. Many years later, Benjamin West became a great painter and his pictures made him very famous. Yes, so after many years, he became a very great painter and his pictures were very famous. Benjamin West was an American painter. He was very well known for his war paintings. He also taught many artists who became famous painters. Yes, he taught many artists also to become famous painters. This story is adapted from 50 Famous People by James Baldwin. Okay. So, who is James Baldwin? James Baldwin was a famous American teacher and writer. He wrote books for adults and children, and he has also written textbooks for schools also. Okay, so the explanation is completed, and now in the next video we'll be completing the other portion of this chapter. Okay, hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you.